Hey guys, what's happening? How to claim GST refunds when traveling from Australia. Planning to jet off from Australia and keen on pocketing some extra cash, the Tourist Refund Scheme (TRS) has got your back, offering refunds on the goods and services tax or GST and wine equalization tax (WET) for certain items you've purchased. Here's a lowdown on how to make the most of it. First of all, you need to meet the eligibility criteria. Okay? Snap up your goodies within 60 days before your departure. Ensure you've spent 300 Australian dollars, GST inclusive, at a singular retailer. Multiple purchases from the same store count as long as they share the same Australian business number or ABN. Okay, hold on to those original tax invoices. No receipt, no refund. And lastly, this perks is for all passengers, whether you're an Aussie resident or just visiting. Okay, so if you want to claim your refund, you need to go to the official website of TRS. Okay, TRS right here. Yeah, no, not here. This is for Texas. You go ahead to the official website of, or find the app, TRS mobile app. Okay, let me try to pin it down. Okay, TRS, right? If it's available, yeah, right here. And make sure to download it, right? And import your travel and purchase details to generate the QR code for quicker claim at the airport. And once you're in the airport, arrive at least 90 minutes before your flight. TRS facilities can get busy and you don't want to miss out due to long lines. Have your goodie ready for inspection, right? Items should be in your carry-on unless they are oversized or restricted, like liquids over 100 milliliter, right? In which case, present them before checking your luggage. Bring your original tax invoices, right? Passport, boarding pass, and the QR code from the TRS app. Okay. Important consideration: make sure the items are unused and leaving Australia with you. Services like hotel stays and consumables like food are generally not eligible. Choose between credit to your card, an Australian bank account deposit, or check. Refunds typically process within 60 days. Okay, by staying organized and following these steps, you can ensure a smoother experience and get a little extra back on in your pocket before you say hooroo to Australia. So we will catch you in the next time.